Open the trunk to gain access.
Pry out to release the fastener. Pull back the trunk lining to gain access. Remove the wing nuts. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out. Disconnect the wires by pulling them out. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Reconnect the bulb housing. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the wing nuts. Fold the trunk lining to its original position. Replace the fastener by pushing it back in.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.